Hello, I want to use this video to show what's the problem I'm facing. So I'm using the open source edition for our essential project. What I want is within one class. Now is I'm using the business domain. I need to add some additional the slot. So I just create those slot similar as other one. So when I create that, you can see here. If I open this one, I put the essential ID, name, and put multiple. Keep the domain as a business domain, and change this to instance and give our instance scope. So those are the working part. And I create 4 additional slots. The problem I'm facing is if I move to here, in the bottom, by default is I see if I add the new the slot as before, I add this one, is showing here. But if I keep adding the 4 additional one, but only the last 3 is keep adding this, and they are the worked as default or the expected. But the first one is in the top, so actually it's this one. And I cannot select, I cannot edit and add entry. So I wonder is there some way I can control the customized position of the slot, or where I can find the document that I can maybe I can utilize those empty part to manage this layout instead of just keep this by default. But by default is okay for me, just for the first one, why is overlapped by the title, always put on the top. Thank you. I hope I get some hints and help for this one.